Every time I install this crochet hair, I always get the same questions, like how do you get it done so fast? How do you keep it so neat? How does it look exactly like your hair? And how do you take it down? Well, lovelies, I'm showing you everything in today's video. And if you're thinking of cutting it down, no, Suzanne, don't do that. I've got the easiest and safest method for you. Lovelies, this hair is so amazing. Bossy crochet hair. So in this video, I am using hair from HerGivenHair, their 4C crochet hair. Honestly, everyone, this hair looks exactly like 4C texture. It comes in rings. I counted it. Yeah, it's about 16 rings, and each ring has 10 strands, giving you over 100 strand in total. So this is like the 4 packs of their 4C crochet hair. So this is the 4-pack that you have all there. And lovelies, you're going to love how it will turn out. I'm taking the hair out from the ring, and now we're going to start working on my hair. A lot of you have been asking, how do you crochet your own hair for installation? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you the full process from A to Z, including styling and all. I'm sectioning my hair and leaving a little bit of hair out, just minimal leave out around all 4 corners of my head, from my forehead down to my temples and then to my back. I want the crochet hair to blend perfectly and look super natural, just like my own hair. For easy braiding, especially if you're a beginner, I recommend dividing your hair into 4 big sections. That makes the process faster. You can do smaller sections if you want, but I love to move quickly, so I love going for big sections. Once I was done, I had the tips together and then tucking the last tip into the hair using a crochet pin, and now we're ready to install. So to get this done in less than no time, because these crochet strands are very tiny and come as double loops, I always double or even triple the strands. That's my little trick. It makes the process super fast and gives a full gorgeous look in no time. So I'm following my braid lines. I pick 2 or 3 strands at a time, double or triple them up, and then install them. This makes it fill out quickly and beautifully. Honestly, lovelies, this method is honestly the fastest and easiest way to install your crochet hair at home. And I'm talking about just 5 minutes. I mean, for this section right here, and I was already at the middle of my hair compared to when using 1 single strand. Honestly, this is the easiest hack. You wouldn't believe it, you know, how fast it was. People always tell me, Elizabeth, I don't think I can install this hair. The strands are too tiny. But here, I am like, girl, I got you. Try this method and thank me later. Now, moving to the front, like I said earlier, I said sectioning your hair into 4 parts makes everything quick and stress-free. You don't have to spend hours wondering where to start. Just braid, crochet, and go. So with the crochet hook right here, I am pulling the hair through the loop, looping it, and you can already see how full this is getting. You know, the volume is amazing. The trick again is doubling it. If you can triple it, it makes your life easier. Honestly, in the front, I'm loading it up with double or triple strand because I want it extra full and fabulous. I love a nice voluminous front, and yes, lovelies, we are almost done. Next, I'm going to be taking out the leaf out right there. And I'm going to be combing it on it just like that. Yes, and this is water and hair conditioner. I mean, leave-in hair conditioner. I just wanted it to have a bit of moisture in it. And look at the back. I had all the leaf around the 4 corners of my head, so obviously I loosened them up and then comb it on my hair. It is the natural feeling ever. Honestly, I loved it. And here is the mousse I'm applying on my hair. You can comb this hair out. I mean, comb it out with your hair. I didn't really want to do that because I wanted to have a feeling of the coils before doing that. Maybe in my next install, I'm going to reuse this hair. Honestly, I'm going to reuse it. In my next install, I'm going to comb out the hair so it looks like that 4C texture. So I just want to enjoy the coils first, and then we can have another style using the same hair. Lovelies, what do you think? What are you thinking? We are done. Look at it. Look at the volume. Look at it. I love it. Wondering if this is bulky on your hair or is heavy on your head? No, it is not. It is very light. And every time I run my hands in my hair, I feel my natural hair blending with the extension. I mean, almost the same. I love that feeling. And for my viewers wondering how to take this down, continue to watch because I'm going to show you something amazing. I've always struggled with taking down crochet until I came about this style. You don't want to pull it that way, no, and you don't want to cut it because you're going to be ripping your hair from your roots and you're going to be going bald. So the easiest way to get this crochet out of your hair is to start from where you started, from where you braided it. So go to the roots and start loosening your hair from the tail end of your hair. So you lose it and then pull out the crochet. Very easy. Just keep loosening the braids, your natural braids, and while you lose, it's gonna be pulling out. You're gonna be pulling out those crochet one by one. It is easier. There is no damage to your hair. There is no breakage. Your hair is intact. The crochet is intact, and you can reuse the crochet hair. You can wash it, reinstall it, and you're good to go. And that's it, lovelies. Crochet installed, neat, full and flawless, and my hair is intact. No shedding, no cutting, nothing. So thank you so much for watching, and until I see you again next time, remain blessed.